Hello, I'm Andrew Bentley. I'm a partner development lead here at Microsoft UK, and I want to talk to you about the value of working with Microsoft and the opportunity around AI for you as agencies. The reason we're talking to you is Microsoft is hugely partner-centric. The way that we scale, the way that we will jointly attack the opportunity in market is through our partner community. And so we need to support agencies like yourselves and help you develop practices. So why AI? Well, AI is a huge opportunity. It's not something that's going to come. It's already here and present today. Already in the last 12 months, we've seen a business grow to 1.4 billion globally, and it's predicted to grow to 60 billion by 2025. This is really an opportunity that everyone needs to get involved with today. Already, 67% of organizations globally have adopted or are planning to adopt AI. And if I rewind back to the cloud ecosystem sort of 7 or 8 years ago, I remember doing presentations in that time talking about these numbers, and look at where that ecosystem is today. So really, the opportunity to jump into AI is now. We know that AI is applicable to almost every industry out there. So the starting point for you as an agency needs to be thinking about your customers, think about their end customers and where AI can be infused to support and embrace and enhance the technologies and offerings in those customers. And really, when you look at this slide, the time to adapt to disruptive technologies has just been shrinking year on year. And so if you're not out there embracing AI technologies and thinking about how to build out that capability as an agency, you need to know that somebody else will be having that conversation with your customers, because everybody is looking to adopt and embrace that technology now, and it's only going to get faster. So this is why at Microsoft we developed a partner practice development framework and released an online resource that you can go and download and digest in your own time. And it covers everything in terms of what is the strategy, what's the process, what are the practices I should be thinking about, what's the opportunity for AI for me as a business, as an agency, and for me and my end customers. Where's the opportunity and what's the right way to go and embrace those? So do we think about managed services, recurring IP, and how to build a profitable business model around AI specifically? How do you hire and train? We know that there's a problem in the market with a lack of resources. So how can you partner with other organizations to fill those gaps for you? But also, how can you take advantage of all the online content that Microsoft has to support you and your people in terms of developing AI skill sets? But also with Microsoft, how can you take advantage of the Microsoft partner ecosystem and jointly partner with organizations who can fill the gaps that perhaps you have in your organization today? We then go and focus on operationalizing that. So support is a critical aspect of this. Support around AI is going to be key for partners because that's where the real opportunity lies. Most customers will not have the AI resources to enable them to go and deliver these services and manage them on an ongoing basis. And as a partner ecosystem, that's absolutely critical and a great opportunity for you guys to step in there. Going to market and closing deals and optimizing and grow, well, that's really where Microsoft can come into its own, because using and leveraging the One Commercial Partner organization, we can help you scale up and grow. So why would you partner with Microsoft? Well, there's 3 main areas that we can help as a business. Clearly, we have momentum and an existing customer base that you can leverage. Over 90% of the Fortune 500 companies globally are on Microsoft Cloud today. So there's a great opportunity for you to go and leverage that existing base. From a platform perspective, we have an end-to-end solution for partners that go across private, hybrid, and public clouds. And it really does provide you with one complete platform for you to build your capabilities and drive profitable and competitive solutions from. And then lastly, the investments we make around partners. From a Microsoft point of view, in the last 12 months alone, we've invested nearly $640 million worth of revenue for partners to drive go-to-market investments to help you not just jointly co-sell with Microsoft, but also go-to-market yourselves. This is why internally within Microsoft, we've realigned our whole partner business to better support agencies and organizations like yourselves. So we've split our partner organization into 3 main pieces. We have a team that's aligned to build with, and that is how do we help and support agencies like you build practices, both in terms of technical enablement, but also both in terms of sales and commercial enablement. Then how do we take that proposition with you and help you go to market? And we do that in terms of investing around co-marketing, but also looking at how we can help skill up and resource you. And then lastly, sell with. Once we've got that proposition, once we've worked with you to help enable you to get those solutions into market and actually get those references, is then how do we jointly co-sell with you, working with our account teams? So as an agency, where do I start? Well, at Microsoft, we make a lot of content online available to you to enable you to skill up your people technically, learn about AI solutions and offerings, enable you commercially, and also help you around marketing as well. So the first step on the journey really should be go to the Microsoft Partner Network and sign up as a Microsoft partner. And if you really want to learn more and enable and engage with Microsoft, please use the email address agencies@microsoft.com. Thank you.